When systems, support tickets, vendors, and security demands all compete for attention, daily operations inevitably grind to a halt. Microsoft 365 access errors, unpatched vulnerabilities, failed backups, and vendor finger-pointing all stem from the same root issue: reactive management. Dana Rogers, Director of Systems Engineering at Orbis Solutions, highlights the solution. The best managed IT model turns recurring support noise into visible work, assigned ownership, and prevention steps that leaders can review before operations slow down. Unlike traditional break-fix support that waits for users to report outages, structured managed IT uses proactive monitoring, automated patch management, and ticket pattern tracking to eliminate bottlenecks before they impact invoices or customer deliverables. This approach creates reliable help desk escalation paths, enforces proper onboarding permissions, keeps hardware refresh cycles predictable, and validates backup restore points before an emergency strikes. For organizations with existing internal teams, co-managed IT provides crucial relief by offloading after-hours alerts, security monitoring, and Microsoft 365 hardening so internal leaders can focus on core business strategy. Securing long-term operational stability requires vetting providers for clear service scopes, verified backup testing, transparent SLAs, and practical governance around cloud tools and AI. To get the complete breakdown on building a resilient technology environment, read the full article and add this to your Spotify playlist.